Okay, FM 101.7.
Kuno. Sami mi mwache.
Mame, me just go.
Na boko die.
Boko didn't mean a book. Or some morning quay.
Na no and by close of nomination no ade ade no money statement about bontain few areas be a problems be war any niema hudu bi amofi say amanyuko ni ma a wo pepa no so etie na de ne wo mu
You, one me that the decay, I mean, share a chief in I am passer and your parliamentry primaries are Igusua area of Ghana in the various constituencies, you know. Your closely filing process, you know, in several of the constituencies. Make us several because into make us constituencies in Munina and parliamentary primaries. But baby, parliamentary primaries in the Dodona and process a friend of filing a baby by Nunu and Umreno. Na Enra said what they can achieve, functional executive committee at the Krata about Bontia. The air can remove a kind of one unya a papa a far forms or my failure of forms. Normal filing forms, no meaning say or more forms, no, as I was what bread party, no. Normal show or papa say or mujina as parliamentary candidates for the National Democratic Congress in their respective constituencies, you know. Your book South in Abaso, we commend them. My idea say Omenya sa opepano. And then the question says we hear the Padodoa Afakrata normal file some of the Mujina NDC Dimu as parliamentary candidates. Now we hear Omusu Omobai si ehunu omo nimdi omo and it's what the group papa omo any odonetima omo ma oman Ghana the chene say ampa NDC yewo nipa omo betimi ebu oman Ghana no maboama oman no akonanim if Ghana force and so ye adom bien eto abaman come 2020 we share a police for, a lawyer for, a doctor for, any nipa of diverse backgrounds and then umunina a person more contest in our party no memoir. It shows that NDC party we really have the right men and women who can work together to rescue this country from the clutches of the bad leadership we are currently witnessing and restore Ghana back to the path of development and progress. In January, and we in Cranche, na you say Ghana for so ehesade. Tie ye da mu nyina se ye bo bia abaso. To say the mpanyifo ahwehwe no, omaya file ye wie e be ye vet. E wi avet results beba. Obi a ne bonyo so mpanyifo ayehwehwe ya obetumi IRP na wa follow party she say so ye vetting process any appeals na just say ye ba be publish notice of poll ya ballot ye ama candidate bi ehu ne dabre na itimi aboa mo mayo mo campaign na just say omu wie campaign na ya di abato no asese so ti pempe aye ka say die Bibia thought here, by and large, and I would say that the process has been highly successful as we speak now. Then, functional executive committee, who say, and then depending on Nina Aquenya, it in the far form, and now it in the file of form, Asat and Ra anyway. You have to take complaints debris from a few constituencies. I think the classical case, and the Kosovo Asawase constituency. Sebi a party nipa enye Asemo party no we take a serious view of these complaints and these reports. Yes, sir. In fact, for Asawase the input petition at the table so your general secretary ni national chairman ebedum kaya ministry fiju odeko on be power abejuku amomatras petition so edis asem. Enti the party mpanyifo culture party menyina ne se obi biara no person pick form but wenya akwenya am pick form no obi biara o pick form na person the form no man party mpanyifo the filing na wenya akwansidia antini amma na sa akwenya na ma na anye bia. There is no cause for alarm obi anka na kom into the end. Ya yamra ya yenhye mpanyifo asinkiti se abato a yetu yebe ma perepere yo ayetuma yebe conduct elections obroni beka se eyifu fair and transparent na boam obi nya rishemu o system ni se perepere yo ayetuma yebe to abawi no na ayasumbi ayeboko ayejojo na boam edin kabo aba NDC bo. Enti dia ye no kre dia ye mra na party mpanyifo de be ye adwuma obi biara ofi se ye de ntanchia adiwa obonyo so party mpanyifo se enfa emra enhewunsa put the interest the party first, follow about one the regulations and the guidelines governing the process. Kuchire unsemu kata ye treasurer for penny general secretary se we bi enipono obi biara bi hano onfa ne nsɛmumra na wo de ba mpanyifo betena so animu ya no madi asɛm no na ye de yie ato yie ya mano kre ene peripherio aye adwuma. So the office of the general secretary is open to receive any such petitions or complaints. Na te said ya a lawyer for canon so the petition about you then make sure say you better so na yet determine issues in a lawful, fair and expeditious manner. Na no cre ayejumenti as I was issue no yate say problems so on Kwanzaa North yate other a few constituencies such challenges it be no more encounter. General Secretary, National Chairman, the National Executive Committee, the Functional Executive Committee, I say, San Semina, South Fona, a form of Honor Fabra, na party penifon transfer, and the Monimia, na the Embrano Chre, the facts, and then Ocreno, so Chireno, party for Union and also no more than Seminole. We can assure everybody that these issues will be determined without fear or favor, without any favoritism to anybody. Because said the NDC no Kwame Dina away the natural democratic. Democracy. Actually a party a jembradi ya dekambami kabini. Party ni biadia. Ya ye woman na ye watchefa e party ni mu. It is so be a constituency executive, or be a regional executive, or be a national executive, or be a MP or a former minister or a wine. On to me, Fabran Sensa, emu, and an infant tension nubia, yam prema mafia, na bibia uncoso. He said, Obo you be so now as a man, then Quadia. In the radio, so there was a Wokokasa. Fam running sounds uncle demonstration, cooperative office and Cosenta and Koye Bibiasa. Yinano, let's put the interest of the party first. Now you follow party structures. For petition, bra, ya crado, see a budget, near ship. Nadia and Mrana Chre party, Mrachre Biano, Yamana Yezuma, Ama Periperio, Ayajuman. Yes, also the Futu, Emma, all the aspirants. Omachita for. The football all constituency executives, regional executives, national executives. So among kind who say a party no, it is a democratic party. Can you forget this? Na bread abiru mumu ni abo ama party na ba do fa kwa yewo. The nesa wo di brebi wo mu a to anamo ye ya wonyema ye na wanfa esini ni buase ama meka party no. Nobody is above the party. Enti omoma perepere yo ɛnyɛ adwuma wɔma no korɛ na ɛnyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ ɔmo adwuma mu ɛne deɛ ɔmo yɛ abatabatoɔ wei ifi sɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ne saa ɛbɛboa obi biara ni wa ɔdɔ NDC a ɔde mmara bɛhyɛ ne nsam anaasɛ ne biases nti no ɔbɛyɛ biribi a at this critical time for the party ɔbɛma party ɛnyɛ dimbɔne nti sɛ wodɔ party no ampa be fair in w'adwuma a woyɛ be truthful and be guided by the constitution of the party and the regulations that guided these elections. And yes, sir, na asɛm bɛduru mpanyinfoɔ anim ne yɛhwehwɛ bi yɛhu sɛ wayɛ biribi a ɛnsɛm fata agu party anim ase a asɔtwe ma pa ɛda wɔ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde ma wo no party mpanyinfoɔ ɛwɔ no ase na bɛhwɛ sɛ saa asɔtwe no yɛde bɛma wo.
Na deɛ bɛtumi aba sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a yɛama no kwan ɔfaa forms but yɛama no kwan ama no ansɔ bi nti a sɛ nipa bɛma no kwan ama no contest primaries no.
ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ simple koraa simple obi afa form na yɛama no kwan ama no amfaale either at the constituency or the regional level na party mpanyinfoɔ hwehwɛ mu mu sɛ yɛ nokorɛ and there was no legal basis for denying that person the opportunity to file and when you are mpanyinfoɔ bɛgye ne form ama na file ama ɔno so I go through vetting and all the other processes in these elections. No, not waiting to be biara and intention. You don't have to go to the media and make noise. You don't have to go and do anything. Behalf party, just follow the party structures. Fact, the general secretary see what being office. 3 Monday course. For petition, ebra. Ebi mo di jaba dada. Obama mpenyu for atena so. Na yama emra ene nokre na yede. Aye adwuma. Enti yanje wo form na yetena so ye hu say you have a good picture. This thing for bejo form we go through process. So this is not the first time challenges this issue. I see that. And you see and party penny for follow your brand in say and the bu answer me nyina e bu ama party no so coordinating. And this will not be, any different case. Omunyanto was no, nothing is too late. So there's a you have a case and then you for them the right thing. If you don't have a case, of course, party penny for them you don't have a case. Now in as well also work the after structures are obiting ya appeal yako ama also make you answer now and the amount. So we are showing all those people, not just as I said the Nkwa, but any person who fully agreed, say Yamana Kenya, Amana pick a form, and now pick a form, but Yang form, now fully agreed, bring a petition, come and make your case, pay you for the facts, pay you for them run better to home, no one making sure that the right thing is done.
That's Anope. Yes, I say.
Okay, FM 101.7.